I am Sydney Law, the Director of the Office of Applied Public Health, and I'm excited to share with you a little bit about our practicum experience at the Milken Institute School of Public Health. For those new to the field of public health, our practicum experience provides an introduction to the practical skills and experiences necessary for a productive and fulfilling career with one of our 4,000 practice partners, allowing you to apply what you learn in the classroom to your work in the field.
I came into GW working at the Physical Activity Alliance, which is a nonprofit promoting physical activity in all policies to make it more accessible and equitable for Americans. I was placed there through the CDC's Public Health Associates Program, which is a pathways program that places recent graduates in state, local, tribal, or territorial health departments or nonprofits.
For those with prior work experience, the practicum offers the opportunity to hone your skills or gain new experience in a different area of public health. It's a planned, supervised, and evaluated project where students gain practical skills and knowledge through a 120-hour real-world work experience with our community partners.
I was an intern with the Guilford County Division of Public Health in North Carolina. I was working under their drug and injury prevention manager, looking at policies in North Carolina that impact people with substance use disorder. And so through that practicum experience, I worked on a literature review, analyzing a lot of different laws in the state that impact people with substance use disorder and the opioid epidemic in the state overall, as well as working on designing a community survey in order to understand perceptions in the community about people with substance use disorder, how resources are in the community, and how these laws impact people in the community.
During the practicum, you'll work under the supervision of your department's practice team and a site preceptor. This experience helps you develop as a public health professional, contributing to community resources and solving public health problems. Join us at GWSPH and take the first step towards making a real impact in public health.